Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at how you can use the Arvin app. In order to do so, here we are at the Google Play Store, and this is one place that you can find the Arvin app, an AI logo maker. Make your own letter logo, make your own beautiful logo, create logos in seconds. It's all about logos. So if you're looking for a logo generator, you can download the Arvin app at Google Play, but you can also get it at the App Store as well. Same thing, logos, logos, logos. So if you are looking for a logo, you might want to check out the Arvin app. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our referral code to get 60% off your first month's subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal, can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.